December the 10th, 2017, 4136 Tillman, padlock renovation, 3 p.m. Missing the number 6 for the unit number, needs to be replaced. Front screen door handles missing, needs to be replaced. Scratches and surface scratches on the wooden floors throughout, needs to be checked out. I had a total of 7 broken blinds. It needs to be replaced. And several black markings and nail/holes on the walls. Majority of the trim and the doors will need to be painted as well. Missing smoke detector, needs to be replaced. The handle to the stove coming off needs to be repaired. Placed 2 big, 2 small drip pans. Respect your stove. That crack in the wall behind the kitchen counter. Stained blind needs to be replaced. Small water leak, kitchen sink needs to be repaired and the wood may need to be replaced. Missing dryer duct. The linoleum in the kitchen is coming up, the washer was sitting, also has water. Need to be checked out. Got a dead rat in the corner. Unit's gonna need to be treated for rats. More broken blinds. Stain. Unit does have a fireplace. Markers on the ceilings will need to be painted. Stickers on the walls need to be removed. Also got a broken window, and the window boarded up. It needs to be replaced. More scratches on the floor. More markings on the walls. Closets running to be painted. You're gonna need an AC filter. There's not one installed. Appears to be a 14 by 20 by 1. Filter casing is broke. Needs to be replaced. Recaulk the toilet and the bathtub. Another broken blind. More nails and markings on the walls. It's gonna need to be painted. More scratches on the floors. Another broken blind. Closet door is gonna need to be painted. More nails and nail holes in the wall. Small hole in the wall behind the door. Needs to be repaired. Small trash hat. Mattress box spring frames. Another broken blind. More scratches on the floor. closet's gonna need to be painted as well. More stickers on the walls is gonna need to be removed. Hairline crack in the ceiling. It's gonna need to be repaired and painted. Outside shed, missing a wall, needs to be repaired or removed. Large tree branch needs to be removed. That's about it.